Welcome to the latest video on our channel. In today's video, we will explore the top 10 most expensive military aircraft of Italy.
Aermacchi SF-260. The SF-260 is a type of light aircraft from Italy, commonly marketed as a military trainer and aerobatic aircraft. The SF-260 was designed by Italian aircraft designer Stelvio Frati, while the initial production work was carried out by the Milan-based aviation manufacturer Avia Milano. On July 15, 1964, the first prototype made its maiden flight. Specifications of the Aermacchi SF-260 aircraft include seating for 2 pilots and 1 passenger, a propeller with a diameter of 1.93 meters, a 260 horsepower 6-cylinder piston engine, a maximum flight speed of up to 333 kilometers per hour, and a range of up to 1,650 kilometers with full fuel capacity. Variants such as the SF-260W Warrior, SF-260SWC Warrior, and SF-260A demonstrate the diversity and flexibility in the application of this aircraft series, from arming the military to coastal patrol and protecting fishermen. The development of the SF-260 series continues to be driven forward with new variants such as the SF-260EA of the Italian Air Force. Alenia Aermacchi continues to develop the SF-260 aircraft series, further adding to the long and successful history of this aircraft line in the aviation industry. 9. Piaggio P180 Avanti. This is a VIP light transport aircraft designed and manufactured by Piaggio Aero in Italy. It features twin turboprop engines mounted on the wings in a pusher configuration. The Avanti can accommodate up to 9 people in a pressurized cabin, and it can be operated by 1 or 2 pilots. The aircraft has a service ceiling of 12,000 meters, a maximum speed of 740 kilometers per hour, and a cruising speed of 589 kilometers per hour. The aircraft's length is 14.4 meters, with a wingspan of 14 meters and a height of 4 meters. The wing area is approximately 15.99 square meters. It is equipped with 2 Pratt & Whitney Canada PT6A6 6-speed turboprop engines, each producing 630 kilowatts. The aircraft can carry between 7 to 9 passengers, with a cabin that is approximately 5.3 meters long, 1.8 meters high, and 1.9 meters wide. The fuel capacity is 1,271 kilograms, with an empty weight of 3,799 kilograms and a maximum takeoff weight of 5,488 kilograms. Additionally, the aircraft can climb to an altitude of FL-250 in about 10 minutes and has a range of approximately 2,800 kilometers, for passengers according to NBAA-IFR standards. The wing loading of the aircraft is 343 kilograms per square meter, and the fuel consumption per distance traveled is 0.220 kilograms per kilometer. The power-to-weight ratio is 230 W per kilogram, and the takeoff distance from the ground is 994 meters. 8. Panavia Tornado. The Panavia Tornado is an aircraft developed through a European collaboration starting in the mid-1970s. This aircraft was developed concurrently with the American F-15 and the Russian Su-27. The Panavia Tornado served as a mainstay of European air forces throughout the Cold War, countering Soviet aircraft. The Panavia Tornado was developed in both fighter and strike variants. Both variants are capable of carrying up to 9 tons of weapons on 11 hardpoints, along with a 27mm cannon mounted in the fuselage. This weapon loadout even surpasses that of the early models of the F-15 and Su-27 fighters. The aircraft can carry a maximum of 6 AGM-65 Maverick air-to-ground missiles, or 12 Brimstone anti-tank missiles, or 9 Alarm anti-radar missiles, along with AIM-9, AIM-120, or AIM-130 to air-to-air missiles for self-defense. Additionally, the Panavia Tornado can carry most of the bombs currently available from the United States and Europe. However, in the current period, the countries that own this aircraft are not particularly interested in upgrading them for continued use. Compared to the F-15 and Su-27 fighters, which are being upgraded and developed into many new variants, the fate of the Panavia Tornado seems to be neglected. Experts have pointed out that this is due to the decreasing trend of using swingling aircraft, as they incur high operational and maintenance costs. According to military experts, in a few years, it is likely that most Tornado variants will be completely replaced. 7. AgustaWestland AW101. The AgustaWestland AW101 is a medium-lift helicopter used in both military and civilian applications. First flying in 1987 on Earth, it was developed by a joint venture between Westland Helicopters in the United Kingdom and Agusta in Italy to meet national requirements for a modern naval utility helicopter. In 2002, AgustaWestland, Kawasaki, and Marubeni signed a joint cooperation agreement. Kawasaki began assembling both the CH-101 and AMCH-101 in 2003. Kawasaki also began licensed production of the TM3 Tuk-2 engine in 2005 in a separate agreement between Marubeni and AgustaWestland. A supply depot was established in Japan to support the MCH-101 and CH-101 fleets. Designed to carry 26 troops or 38 passengers or 5 tons of cargo, or for stretchers for the Merlin HM-1 aircraft. This helicopter has a fuselage length of 19.53 meters and a height of 6.62 meters. The aircraft's empty weight is 10,500 kilograms and its maximum takeoff weight is 14,600 kilograms, powered by 3 Rolls-Royce Turbomega or TM3-201 turboshaft engines. The helicopter has a cruising speed of 278 km per hour and a never-exceed speed of 309 km per hour. Its operational range is 833 km, with an endurance of 5 hours. The service ceiling of the aircraft is 4,575 meters. Control and navigation features, along with sonar systems, include the Thomson Marconi Sonar AQS-903 acoustic processor and active, passive sonar buoys. Additionally, the helicopter can carry for Stingray guided torpedoes or Mk-11 depth charges for military missions. 6. Piaggio P-1HH Hammerhead. The Piaggio P-1HH Hammerhead is a European unmanned aerial vehicle UAV designed by the Italian aircraft manufacturer Piaggio and the French electronics firm Thales for ISR missions. Derived from the Piaggio P-180 Avanti, it is the first European military UAV to fly using a satellite. Prototype 001, which flew in December, is the aircraft's final aerodynamic configuration and includes onboard control systems and new, extended span main wings measuring 15.6 meters, which can also be detached for transport. It is 14.4 meters long and 3.9 meters high, with a maximum speed of 395 ktas, a cruise speed of 320 ktas, and a loitering speed of 135 ktas. Equipped with Pratt & Whitney Canada PT6A6 6-speed engines producing 850 shp, the aircraft has a maximum range of 4,400 nautical miles. at the International Defense Exhibition and Conference 2015 in Abu Dhabi this week, Piaggio announced the first sale of the Hammerhead with 3 UAS systems, including 6 aircraft and 3 ground stations, along with a complete ISR configuration to be delivered to the Italian Air Force in early 2016. In the first half of the video you just watched, we explored the most expensive Italian military aircraft, demonstrating their power and superior technology. But don't stop there. Let's continue this journey together in the next part of the video. You will witness the majesty and incredible power that these warships possess. Leave a comment below the video and don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on interesting information in the future. Let's create touchpoints and expectations for upcoming videos together. Thank you for joining us. 5. Leonardo M345. The Aermacchi M345 is a military training aircraft powered by a turbofan engine designed and produced by the Italian defense conglomerate Leonardo SpA. It is a development of the Sci Marchetti S211. On December 29, 2016, the M345 performed its maiden flight. A month later, the first order for this type was placed by the Italian Air Force. The first production standard M345 flew from Venegono Superiore in December 2018 and entered service in December 2020, replacing the MB339. With a single Williams FJ44 engine, the aircraft has a maximum speed of 740 km/h and a range of 1,410 km, meeting the needs for training and light attack missions. The aircraft's empty weight is 3,300 kilograms, maximum takeoff weight is 4,500 kilograms, and fuel capacity is 700 kilograms. The Leonardo M345 can carry over 1,000 kilograms of weapons on for hard points, including gun pods, bombs, and missiles, with the capability to use IR-guided air-to-air missiles. In 2017, Italy ordered 18 M345 aircraft to replace older training planes. The M345 has been certified and began being used for pilot training, replacing the MB339 and complementing the MB346 Master. This work is conducted by the 61 Stormo at the Lecce Galatina Air Base. For Aermacchi M346 Master. The M346 is a military training aircraft produced by Italy's Alenia Aermacchi in collaboration with Russia's Yakovlev. After the two companies couldn't agree on the development aspects of the aircraft, they each developed different models based on the initial design. Aermacchi's version is the M346, while Yakovlev's is the Yak 130. This aircraft has an empty weight of 4,900 kilograms, a total weight of 6,700 kilograms, and a maximum takeoff weight of 9,600 kilograms. The aircraft is equipped with 2 Honeywell ITEC F124G A200 turbofan engines, each with a thrust of 28 kilonewtons. The maximum speed of the aircraft is 1,090 km/h, and it should never exceed 1,470 km/h. The aircraft has a range of 1,925 km and a ferry range of 2,550 km with 3 external fuel tanks. The endurance of the aircraft is 2 hours and 45 minutes. Its service ceiling is 13,716 meters. The aircraft can carry various types of weapons, such as FN Herstal HMP-50 machine guns, Nexter 20mm M6 21 cannons, A9 air-to-air missiles, AGM-65 Maverick air-to-ground missiles, Mark Mk2A anti-ship missiles, Mark 80 2,500 pounds bombs, and Mark 80 3 1,000 pounds bombs. The aircraft is also equipped with the Grifo M346 radar system to support its flight missions. Its modern interior features special glass displays and highly responsive digital flight control systems, giving pilots complete control over this advanced fighter aircraft. The perfect aerodynamic design and powerful engines make the M346 one of the fastest training aircraft in the world. 3. Alenia C-7J Spartan. The C-7J Spartan is a military transport aircraft developed and manufactured by the Aircraft Division of Leonardo. It is an advanced variant of the earlier G-222 aircraft by Alenia Aeronautica, equipped with engines and many systems also used on the larger Lockheed Martin C-130J Super Hercules. The aircraft has the capability to carry up to 60 troops or 46 paratroopers in troop transport mode, or 36 stretchers with 6 medical personnel in medevac (CASEVAC) mode. For VIP and personnel transport, it can accommodate 6 VIP passengers and 18 accompanying personnel along with service modules. The aircraft also features the ability to transport diverse cargo such as bulk loads, wheeled and tracked vehicles, aircraft engines, light helicopters, standard pallets, and airdrop cargo. Powered by 2 Rolls-Royce AE-100D2A turboprop engines, each producing 3,458 kilowatts. The aircraft achieves a maximum speed of 600 km per hour, cruise speed of 583 km per hour, range of 1,759 km with maximum takeoff weight, and a service ceiling of 9,144 meters. 2. In H-90. The Industries in H-90 is a multi-role military helicopter with medium-sized twin engines from Europe. It was the first helicopter to be produced with full fly-by-wire controls. The prototype conducted its maiden flight in December 1995, and it entered service for the first time in 2007. As of June 2022, the NH-90 has accumulated 327,053 flight hours across armed forces of 13 countries. This advanced military helicopter, renowned for its high maintainability, is utilized by dozens of countries into main variants. The aircraft can accommodate up to 20 troops, 12 stretchers for medical evacuation to NATO pallets, or external loads of up to 4,200 kilograms, with a length of 16.13 meters and an empty weight of 6,400 kilograms. The maximum takeoff weight is 10,600 kilograms. The NH-90 is powered by a choice of 2 engine types: the General Electric CT7-8E turboshaft engines with 1,845 kilowatts each, or the Rolls-Royce Turbomeca RTM3 to 1/9 turboshaft engines with 1,800 kilowatts each. At maximum performance, the helicopter achieves a speed of 300 kilometers per hour, a range of up to 800 kilometers or 1,000 kilometers, an endurance of 5 hours, a service ceiling of 6,000 meters, and a climb rate of 8 meters per second. The helicopter is also equipped with weapons including door-mounted guns and anti-submarine or air-to-ground missiles. 1. Eurofighter Typhoon. The Eurofighter Typhoon is a multi-role fighter aircraft developed by the Eurofighter GmbH Consortium. It has a maximum takeoff weight of up to 23.5 tons. The maximum flight speed of the Eurofighter Typhoon reaches approximately Mach 2.0 at high altitude, Mach 1.2 at sea level, and Mach 1.3 at altitude with standard air-to-air armament. The Typhoon's service ceiling can reach up to 19 kilometers, with a combat range of 1,390 kilometers and a climb rate of 315 meters per second. The fighter has a total of 13 hardpoints, capable of carrying a combined weight of 9 tons of various weapons. It is equipped with a 27mm caliber automatic cannon with 150 rounds, fed by a pneumatic loading mechanism. Additionally, it features 13 hardpoints, including 8 underwing and 5 under fuselage hardpoints, allowing the Eurofighter Typhoon to carry up to 9 tons of weapons. With its Captory Electronically Scanned Radar AESA radar, the fighter can track up to 20 targets simultaneously and detect threats at distances of up to 160 kilometers. The Typhoon employs a sophisticated defensive system called Praetorian, capable of detecting and warning against threats from air-to-air and surface-to-air missiles. In combat scenarios, the Typhoon can deploy short-range air-to-air missiles like IRIS-D, AIM-9, and AIM-132, as well as medium to long-range missiles such as AIM-120 and MBD AIM Meteor. Furthermore, it is equipped with short-range air-to-ground missiles like AGM-65, long-range cruise missiles like KEPD-350 with a range of 500 kilometers, Storm Shadow cruise missiles, and laser-guided paveway bombs. The military aircraft of Italy are truly impressive and surprisingly expensive. We hope you found this video informative and enjoyable. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like, comment to support us in future projects. And remember, our next topic will be the top 10 most powerful warships in the world. Stay tuned to discover more interesting insights in the future. Leave a comment below to share your thoughts on this upcoming topic. Thank you sincerely and see you in the next video. Goodbye.